everybody, this is Lisa. I'm so glad you guys could join me. I am very excited to see you guys. It just seems like I just had my Ivory Clasp unboxing the other day, but I think there were some shipping issues, and I just got my other Ivory Clasp today, and I'm so excited. I can't wait. I've opened the box, so that's all done. But before I go any further, I do want to talk to you a little bit about the Ivory Clasp subscription. It's $45 a month or $45 every other month, whichever you choose. But you get quality handbags at like twice or three times what you would pay for them. And I mean, if you're a girl, you really like a good handbag. And they've got a really nice test. You can pick all kinds of like designs, and they kind of take that very much into consideration. They just treat you like you're such a wonderful person, and like you're like one of their only customers, like, how you doing and how can I help you, and it's just wonderful. You feel very special, and they give you the finest handbags that I've ever seen in my whole life. I've had so many compliments, so many people try to buy them, so many things. But just without further ado, let me get into this handbag. And they almost always, without fail, my stylist, her name is Rachel, and I'm sure I'm not, you know, her only client, although I feel like I am. She's got many more, but she makes me feel so special. And every month they enclose a note in my box that's very personal, signed by real people, and it's not, this month it's no exception. Oops, sorry. This is my box. And so if you guys just give me a second. I can't wait. I didn't even expect this box like for another 2 or 3 weeks. I don't know what this is, but my daughter loves them. I've given her a red one before, like a crimson colored one. To me, it's like powdering your face with a skunk's ass. I have no idea what these are good for, but okay. And, hold on 1 second. Just give me a second. Okay. Kind of looks like a doctor's bag. Check it out. It's WH212. And let's see what we got here. Bear with me a second. Oh God. This smells beautiful. It smells fabulous. And it's style WTH109, color BKB, Bleecker Slouchy Satchel. Manufacturer suggested retail price $138. And they're not far off, because, hold on 1 second. This is a cord. I don't know what this is. It looks like it's a gentleman's box. And it's from Ivory Clasp. They're going to do a gentleman's box. What you can expect in the gentleman's box, $25 per month for the average of $100 in each box. 4 to 6 accessories, lifestyle, and grooming products. Curated around a unique theme. Discover new brands you won't find at a big box retailer. Bonus, free 1-year subscription to GQ magazine. And look what's on the back. And that's what's going to be in there. $25 a month. If my old man were fancy, I'd do him one of these. Oh, I'm sorry. Anyway, this, oh my God, it smells so good. It smells, okay, let's see what it says. Now, this is New York, one of the fashion capitals of the world. Many girls dreaming of living the fashionable New York life and having the 212 area code. We at the 212 want every girl, no matter where she is in the world, to be able to carry a piece of fashionable New York with her. This is inspired by the 212, so it's with 212.com. And this is the style number 109, Bleecker Slouchy Satchel. Oh, sorry. Can't really see very much, can I? Oh, it smells so good. Oy. Oh my God, it smells delicious. Oh, it smells so pretty. I don't know if it's leather or not, but it sure smells good. Of course, there's the big strap in here that I always keep poked in my purse. Ladies, it's beautiful on the inside. Now, I don't know what color this exactly looks like. I think it's somewhere between a plum and a brown. I do think it's between a plum and a brown. But it is beautiful. Oh my god, it smells expensive. It looks expensive. And like I said, thank you, Ivory Clasp. They have a style section, again, that you take your lights, and they take that into consideration. And again, $45 a month, or $45 every other month. And tell them Lisa sent you. And check below, there's a little link that'll give you some off on your subscription. And you guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.